most likely I will be submitting a copy of my privilege speech to the Supreme Court also as additional, I would say, supplementary, I don't know kung anong tawag na magwala niyan. But, it will be used as evidence also to the Supreme Court na ginalaw talaga yung budget at naglampas sila sa appropriations na submitted by the President. Naglampas sa President's budget at saka ito ang klaro. I-enumerate ko, there were 13 special laws that were violated. Yung last January, yung aking gi-expose are the blank items in the bicameral conference committee report. Naging controversial yon because there were 28 blank items and spanning 13 pages. And medyo kasama pa natin noon si Mayor, nasanay ako na Mayor kasi konsihal niya ako noon, si Mayor Presidente Rudy nung na-expose natin yon at saka si Attorney Vic Rodriguez. Then ito naman ngayon, yung kahapon na aking isiniwalat, yung privilege speech ko doon sa Kongreso, ginalaw yung special accounts in the general fund